little freezing rain can close schools like it did this week, it's good to remember what a real winter storm looks like. 30 years ago this week, a snowstorm dumped more than 10 inches in Chattanooga. Let's take you back to January of 1988 for our Thursday Throwback.
Hey, what did they say on the CB? How much worse is it?
It gets pretty bad as you go in. I'd go off right there if I were you.
But don't forget, there is a fun side to this weather, and since this may be the biggest snowfall we see again for a long time in the tri-state, News Center 12's Mike Andrews shows us how to really enjoy it.
Now, there's something about the great snowstorm of 1988 that you know people will be telling their granddaughters and grandsons about it. In fact, they might be saying some stories like, "Son, it snowed so much that day, it came all the way up to my..." Well, you get the idea.
Most of these players are linemen. Most everybody here registers 250 or more, and this is when we're at our best right now.
Is this a new Olympic event?
Yeah, it's called forced sledding.
Forced sledding?
Where you force your partner to sled with you.
So you're going to be in Calgary in a couple of weeks?
Yes, sir, we'll be there.
Intensive training right now, huh?
Yes, sir, we're practicing.
Cater Lee, News Center 12.
We've got more on the stories from the 1988 snowstorm on our website. Of course, that is WDEF.com. But coming up